we've talked about a lot of these things as far as the ICC hearings are concerned, about the prosecution, Mr. Duterte. But at the end of the day, what do you think should happen, back in the Philippines? Because the ICC is just one thing. We know that a lot of the problems, human rights problems in the Philippines are still existing. The drug war is still a policy. Abuses continue, and we're not even yet sure about the extent of the drug war before. So what needs to be done back home?
Well, there are several things, no? And if I may use the words of a certain senator who's also, known to us, ideally, there are many things that should be done in the Philippines if we want accountability, full accountability, and rendering of genuine justice. Number one, the Department of Justice should make true their words on prosecution. There are smaller fish, as they say, who should be prosecuted. Thousands have been killed. Where are the thousands or times 10 of the foot soldiers in the drug war? Are they being prosecuted or not? The DOJ said that they will do something about it, but to this day, we have not seen any progress. Number two, before anything goes to court, it goes through them. Number two, in terms of non-repetition of these kinds of crimes, in the first place, there is no law in the Philippines that prosecutes extrajudicial killings. There are laws on murder, attempted murder, homicide, etc., but these are not fully reflective of the extent of these kinds of crimes, which means that the role of state agents in not only perpetration of the crimes but also as a policy that it maintains in handling and investigating crimes committed by state actors. Number three, so it means that there should be a law against extrajudicial killings. And we invite all those who are saying that these cases should be tried in the Philippines. In the first place, sirs, there should be a law, and you can file it at any time. There's a pending law at the House of Representatives. There should be in the other house, the Senate. Number three, there should be a real resolve to go back to the ICC right now. We're all looking at the ICC. We're not even a member right now. We are seeing no moves to re-ratify the Rome Statute. So these are important issues in terms of the full circle of justice. We're just, at this point in time, we're just at the issue of accountability of the Dutertes. But the other perpetrators, the systemic and structural issues in relation to our justice systems, these things have not been, we have not gone beyond the surface.
I asked Nerico Milares this. Do you think Bongbong Marcos has what it takes to do all of these things, and really on the question of, for instance, rescinding the drug war as a policy, and do you think he has what it takes to do that?
Well, if he wants to do it, he can. Kung gusto, maraming paraan.
Kung ayaw, may dahilan.
Kung ayaw, napakaraming dahilan. Because it takes a single statement to say that the policy on Oplan, Tokhang, and Double Barrel should be rescinded. It's that simple. It's a memorandum which is still in place, and if we don't want it, and they say they have BIDA, that's the new anti-drug war, but it's very easy to say na ina-atras ko to.
I'm sorry to cut you, but even on the drug policy itself as a whole, has there been any movement in that regard?
Well, we know that there have been discussions. There are drug summits conducted by the UNODC together with the Department of Justice, with several agencies. But most, if not all of these initiatives have not led to the issue of revision, proposed amendments to the Comprehensive Drugs Act. Nothing has been passed even at the committee level. At the same time, I think the issue of decriminalization, drug use is being evaded. So there are issues also on the public health system. How does the public health system look at the issue of drug use and the how it reflects on its policy. So as we said, it's a systemic issue that should be looked at by several sectors. There's several summits in posh hotels.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, what do we have? We have nothing.